Good morning, beta. Before we moving to the next topic and solve some numericals, just revise all the topic what we have covered. First, we will see that electric current. Electric current is denoted by capital I. What is electric current? In any circuit, when electrons flow at per unit time is known as electric current. In any conductors there are some few free electrons. When electrons flowing in a particular direction with respect to time, then electric current will produce or generate. By the definition, for the definition you can say that rate of flow of charge is known as electric current. Charge is nothing but just flow of electron, so you can say that rate of flow of electron is known as electric current. Okay, or you can say that flow of charge or flow of electron per unit time is known as electric current. So electric current is equal to charge per unit time. Charge denoted by Q and time is T. So I is equal to Q by T, and for the unit of charge is coulomb denoted by capital C, and unit of time is second, and unit of current is ampere, which is denoted by capital A. Second thing, in any circuit, first electric current is measured by the device which is called ammeter. Ammeter is a device which is used to measure a electric current. Okay, in any circuit ammeter is connected in series. हम इलेक्ट्रिक करंट मेजर करने के लिए जो डिवाइस यूज करेंगे दैट इज एमीटर. एमीटर इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन अ सीरीज. सारी सीरीज के कोई भी सर्किट आप बुक के अंदर देखो उसमें सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग, फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर फ्लोइंग इन अ 1 coulomb charge? So for finding that Q is equal to N into E, where E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So for calculating the number of, N means number of, for calculating the number of electron, just multiply by N into the electron, value of electron. So for suppose you have to find, there are two charges, means 2 coulomb charge, then you have to find the how many number of electrons are flowing. Then N into the value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Just take this side, divide 2 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. You will get the number of electrons flowing in 2 coulomb charge. Our next topic is, that is electric potential or potential difference. Which is denoted by capital V. Electric potential is a condition, or electric potential is a potential when some charges are moving from one place to another place, and for moving the charge some work has done. It's mean that electric potential is defined that total work to be done for moving charge from infinity, मीन्स ऐसी पोजीशन, इंफिनिटी मतलब जो जिसका कोई डिस्टेंस मेजर ना कर सके, इतना दूर है. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज डिफाइंड एज द टोटल वर्क टू बी डन फॉर मूविंग चार्ज फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू वन पॉइंट. किसी भी एक इंफिनिटी पॉइंट मीन्स अननोन पॉइंट टू एक फिक्स पॉइंट पे चार्ज को ले आने के लिए जितना वर्क होगा, दैट इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. एंड व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? Electric potential difference is the difference between two electric potential of this point and electric potential of this point. So there will be a difference between two electric potential. Difference of electric potential is necessary because if the height is, two heights are same, then object cannot move. So we have to create a greater height and smaller height, then object can move. We have seen in the examples of water and temperature and height of moving of the ball. So electric potential difference or potential difference, which is known as voltage as well. Potential difference is also known as voltage. Potential difference is defined as टोटल वर्क टू बी डन, यहां से लेके यहां तक चार्ज ले जाने के लिए जितना काम करेंगे उतना ही उसके बीच में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज डिफाइंड एज टोटल वर्क टू बी डन, total work to be done for moving per unit charge from point A to point B, or you can say that from point 1 to point second, another point. Okay, unit of charge is coulomb denoted by capital C, unit of work done is joule, and unit of potential difference is volts. For measuring the potential difference, a device used which is called voltmeter. Ammeter, in current topic, ammeter is always connected in a series, but voltmeter is always connected in a parallel. voltmeter को हम पैरेलल कनेक्ट करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट से और सीरीज में कनेक्ट करते हैं एमीटर को. जस्ट ऑलवेज याद रखना बेटा, एमीटर विच इज a device for measuring the electric current is always connected in a series. And suppose series means ये आपका सर्किट है, तो सपोज आपने यहाँ पे कनेक्ट कर दिया एमीटर, या यहाँ पे, तो ये आपका पूरा सीरीज है, एंड टू एंड कनेक्टेड है. फॉर पैरेलल कनेक्शन शुड बी कनेक्टेड लाइक दैट, हियर V और हियर V, मीन्स सर्किट के बाहर पैरेलल कनेक्ट होगा वोल्टमीटर. ओके, कोई भी सर्किट हम देखेंगे जब आगे सॉल्यूशन में, तो वहां पे मालूम पड़ेगा. सो वोल्टमीटर इज अ डिवाइस which is used to measure the electric potential difference between a conductor. So electric potential difference is created by a battery, cell or generator. Okay, जब तक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस नहीं होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव नहीं करेंगे और इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जनरेट नहीं होगा. आफ्टर दैट सर्किट्स दिए हुए हैं, सिंबल्स दिया है बुक में, वहां से सिंबल्स याद करो बेटा. नेक्स्ट, ओम्स लॉ. साइमन ओम, a scientist who told that at a constant temperature, potential difference is directly proportional to the electric current. It means that when we will increase the potential difference, दो पॉइंट का पोटेंशियल को हम इंक्रीज करेंगे तो हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक करंट भी ज्यादा जनरेट होगा, ऐसा उन्होंने बोला. सो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. So V is equal to, just use a proportionality constant R. V is equal to IR, where R is the proportionality constant and it is known as resistance. Okay beta. Now what is resistance? Resistance is a property of wire. Resistance is a property of wire that restrict the flow of electric current. Potential difference create हो गया, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट मूव हो रहा है, बट सम इलेक्ट्रिक का जितना मूव होना चाहिए उतना मूव नहीं हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि वायर के अंदर एक प्रॉपर्टीज है जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को रोक रही है. Why? Because there are lot of free electrons present in a conducting wire. So when we will create a potential difference, electron will move in a direction, and during that stage, that period, that condition, they will collide to each other. Due to the collision, their movement is not proper, so some current will be decreased or restrict. So resistance is a property of conductor that will restrict the flow of current. There are some factors that will affect the resistance. Resistance मतलब रोकना रुकना. There are 4 factors. First is length. When we will increase the length, resistance will also increase. Why? Length of wire is increasing. It means that उसका रूट जितना लंबा होते जाएगा, सिमिलरली ट्रैफिक उतना ज़्यादा होगा, मिस कोलिजन भी उतना ज़्यादा होगा, तो बढ़ेगा. सेकेंड एरिया. इफ वी विल इंक्रीज द एरिया मीन्स उसको ज़्यादा स्पेस मिलेगा किसको, इलेक्ट्रॉन को मूव करने के लिए. तो क्या होगा, उसका कोलिजन कम हो जाएगा. कोलिजन कम हो जाएगा मतलब ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो करेगा, मीन्स रेजिस्टेंस उसका घट जाएगा बेटा. So resistance is inversely proportional to the area. When we will increase the area, there will be less collision. Means when we will increase the area, then resistance will decrease, more electron or current will flow. Next thing is temperature. Resistance depends on temperature as well. Why? When we will increase the temperature, we know that kinetic energy will increase, so electron will move fastly, and during that stage they will collide or there will be a collision. Due to the collision, resistance will increase. Last one is the nature. Resistance also depends on a nature of materials. For example, silver, copper, alloys, different type of material have different properties and different arrangement of atoms, due to which different material have different resistance point. Okay, now resistance is directly proportional to the length, resistance is inversely proportional to the area. Just combine both equation. R is proportional to L by, use small l, length by area. Okay, just remove the potential proportionality sign, use a constant, that is proportionality constant. It is known as rho. This symbol is known as rho, and that is called resistivity. Resistivity, which is denoted by a symbol rho, RHO. So what is resistivity? Resistivity is like a resistance, but there is a difference. When we are saying that a property of conductor that will restrict the flow of electron, that is resistance. When we are saying that property of specific conductor, what is the meaning of specific conductor? When we are saying conductor, it means that common. But when we are saying that specific, means you have to mention the name. Understood the difference? There is a human being and there is a human being which has name. There are difference. Okay, so resistance is a property of conductor that will restrict the flow of electron. Resistivity is a property of specific material that will restrict the flow of electron. दोनों में सेम सिमिलरिटी ये है कि अगर रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ रहा है, रेजिस्टिविटी बढ़ रहा है, दोनों का सेम मतलब है कि करंट वहां पे रेजिस्ट होगा. रेजिस्टिविटी डज नॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन लेंथ एंड वायर. रेजिस्टिविटी डिपेंड्स ऑन टेम्परेचर एंड नेचर. व्हाई टेम्परेचर? like a resistance, when we will increase the temperature, kinetic energy will increase, there will be a more collision, so resistivity will increase. And resistivity will increase when we will change the different type of material. Resistivity depends on the nature of material. Silver have less resistivity, gold, aluminum, copper, different materials have different resistivity.